to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Fiona and I'm French and I do video on YouTube. So today I'm back for a new video which is about French or France, because I am, and I wanted to share with you some facts about the French or French people, like things we do or things that is only in France and in other country it sounds weird or really nice. So I'm going to share that with you. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you want. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you want more content from me. So if you're ready to know and if you're curious about France and French people, let's go! Yes, I'm looking for my preparation video. Okay, so we say hello with a kiss on the cheek. Like, we don't really kiss, but you know, cheek. How do we say that? Cheek against cheek. So yeah, hi. And I heard that from for other country, this is a bit strange, like to approach someone like that to say hello. But anyway, we don't have that problem now because we're not allowed to kiss anyone. So every day, every child have a thing which is afternoon tea for English people, I guess. We call that le goûter. And every day at around 4, children and other people, I mean adults do too. This is a really French thing, I guess. So we have le goûter and we eat some bread, some Nutella, some chocolate. Yeah, this is le goûter. Also we have roundabout everywhere. I mean, when we are learning to drive, when that happened to me, I was so crazy about that, like a roundabout, oh, and then another roundabout, and then another one. I mean, does there is any other country with roundabout like after and after, like 3 at the same time? French people are crazy with that. People do buy bread every day and walk with it under the arm in the street. This is a true fact. I don't do it because I don't buy bread every day, because I don't need to eat bread, but this is my personal thing. But yeah, this is a true fact about French people, especially in some big city like Paris or a city bigger than mine. We eat cheese at every meal, like at every dinner or lunch, at the end of it, after lunch or after your dinner, just before the dessert, there is cheese. This is like a normal thing. Like we have, I don't know, first some tomatoes and then pasta and then cheese and then dessert. Like cheese needs to be there. This is a really French thing, but you know, French cheese are very popular and this is true. They're really, really, really good. I love cheese. We have strange expression that we don't even know why, but this French expression. Let me know in the comment if you would like a video about all strange French expression. For example, to say, oh, he annoys me. Sometimes we use that sentence that I definitely need to read, because in English it's not like normal. He runs to me on a bean. What the hell? But that's mean. He annoys me. We have 2 ways to say chocolate bread. I know. And this is a real war between people who said one way and people who said the other way. Let me explain. In the part of where I live, in the north of France, we said pain au chocolat to say chocolate bread, which is logical. Pain is bread, chocolat is chocolate. But the people who live in the south of France, they said chocolatine. And you have a lot of pictures on Twitter, Facebook, to say people who say pain au chocolat, comment down below. People who say chocolatine, just like it, blah blah blah. You know, this is a crazy fact. When we count from 70, it's becoming weird. Let me explain to you. when we count, like as in English, 61, 62, or 71, 72. In French, from 70, we said 70-11 for 71, and 70-12, 70-13. What the hell? When we talk English, we do it in English, like 71, 72, 73, but in French, 70-11, 70-12, 70-14, my god, 80 is 81, 82. We use a lot of little words that we don't even know what is it, but for example, oh la la, or zut, or eh ben, or what do we have? Up, or bof. Strange, but this is definitely a thing. We normally have also 5 weeks off during the year, and I know that a lot of people from other countries said that we are really lucky to have that, so yes. And we also have 13 days off, which is about, you know, country celebration and stuff like that. We also have a lot of museums. I mean, in every city you can have a museum. Every city. At least one. Sundays are off for everybody. There is no shop, no coffee, nothing. Everything is closed and it's really calm, and this is like, you know, Sunday. Nobody can buy anything. I remember when I was living in Oxford for 7 months, Sunday was like as a Saturday for me. I was going out with my friend having a coffee or something on Sunday, which was really strange for me. Administrative papers and procedure are horrible. They are so slow. This is a nameless mess. So if you want to live one day in France, or if you need some paper, just you need to have courage for that. Trust me. Also, we all know that, but food is really nice. You can have a lot of food, like every food you want to try, like everything is really good. Especially French food. We have like a lot of cookers who are really famous, cooking TV show, and yes, I love food, so I'm happy to was born in that country. We have a big variety of landscape. I mean, you can be in your bikini at the beach, having sun. You also can go skiing in a mountain, and you can have a nap in a garden of your house in the countryside. This is so good though. We have mountain, beach, we have countryside, like very big one. We have big city like Paris or other city. We have a lot of different things, so yeah. So that was some facts about French people and France. I hope you like it and you learned some different things. I also wanted to ask you if you have maybe any assumption about French people or France, if you have anything that you think French people are like that, or in France there is this but you're not sure, or this is like your opinion about it, just let me know in the comment, because I would like to do a video about me answering your assumption about French people. That could be so fun. And yeah, so that was the video. I hope you like it. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and also subscribe if you're not already, if you want to see more content of my little annoying face. So yeah, I will see you very soon in another video. Bye!